Welcome to Wichco HD channel, and in this short video I will, as simple as possible, tell you how to turn the seatbelt alarm chime off. Or in other words, the annoying beeping sound on Lexus or Toyota vehicles. Note, this method doesn't work on Lexus Toyota vehicles that are older than 2005 year. In my second generation Lexus IS250, the seatbelt warning beeps starts shortly after I start driving, and after 1 minute of driving it gets even louder. I don't condone nor suggest people to drive without putting their seatbelts on. Let's get started. Step 1. Enter the car. Close the door. Make sure you are sitting alone in the car. During the whole tutorial, you don't have to press any pedal at all. Step 2. Turn on the ignition without starting the engine. For automatic Lexus Toyota cars, press the engine start button twice without pressing a brake pedal. Step 3. Use the trip computer button to change to odometer on the display. If your display is already showing the odometer, then skip this step. Step 4. Turn the ignition off. Step 5. Prepare to put the seatbelt, but don't plug it in yet. Step 6. Turn on the ignition again without starting the engine. Step 7. Press and hold the trip computer button for around 20 seconds. Step 8. Put the seatbelt on. If you have done everything correctly, the seatbelt message will appear and let you choose if you want to turn the beeping off. Use the trip computer button to change and set it to off, and after that you are done. Just to prove that seatbelt warning chime is gone, here's a video. You will, however, still have a flashing seatbelt warning icon on the dash. Thank you for watching, drive safely and put your seatbelts on. Take care.